You have an order of the day.
We want Mashiach.
I mean, this is Roy Innis, the president from CORE, Center for Conservation and Equality.
I want to express my condolence for the tragic events in Crown Heights and to assure you that the majority of my people in this city, in this country, sympathize with what happened, no matter what the media says. The media make it seem as if we're against each other. We are much more together, much more alike than they will prefer to see.
Yeah, God Almighty bless you. You certainly know that the Jewish people is accustomed to persecution, and the same thing happened in the United States to youth people at the beginning. That from now on, that will have every one of us and all the population of the United States only good news and healthy news, and news about the progress of every one of us in all matters of goodness and kindness.
One of the great events that happened in this country was the great revolution that blacks and Jews fought in the 50s and 60s to bring about justice. We won that fight. It is because of that great event, because we changed America to make it a more just place, that our enemies, our mutual enemies, are seeking to pull us apart.
Now God must bless that the United States will be united really and all the year around, not when something happens, but all the year round in good conditions and the happy conditions. And that will give a double portion of charity,
Give you another money.
double portion of condemnation.